In Hubballi and Dharwad, heavy rains continue to wreak havoc. Streets have turned into streams with water gushing through low-lying areas and major roads completely submerged. In Ganesh Nagar, residents spent a sleepless night as water entered their homes. The same chaos repeated in Bhavani Nagar, Chandranath Nagar and Mayur Estate, water inundating houses and causing panic. Traffic has come to a standstill near Unkal cross, with all vehicular movement halted due to waterlogging. Meanwhile, in Dharwad's Yamanur village, the overflowing Bennihalla stream poses a serious threat. Despite a red alert from the district administration, no police personnel was seen at the site. Devotees continue to enter the flooded stream for ritual bathing near the shrine of Chandranath, a scene that raises serious concerns about public safety and administration failure. Thousands of devotees are expected at the shrine on Thursday. The question remains, will the authorities act in time?
Ganesh Pete, Dajavanpete, Kamarpet Road, Arathura, Deuteronomy, ಈ ಸಾರಿ 2025 ನೀರು ಭಯಂಕರ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.